Hi all, welcome to our demonstration here. So I'd like to walk you through two new features that we are releasing. So the first one is part of our Meetings app. So you need to ensure that you have the app installed first for this to work. But under the Meetings section of Tidy HQ, you will notice that we have a section now for templates. So this has been a really highly anticipated feature, so we hope you all enjoy this new feature. So as a connected organization working with your peak body can actually share a template down to you, or you can create your own templates within your own organization here. So as an example, I'll head over to our meetings section here. You'll notice it's changed a little bit. We've got upcoming meetings, past meetings, and templates here. So if I just jump into templates here, you will see this is my template here. It's private, as this is just for our Bob's Burgers account here. And then we've got these two that have been shared with me. So these have been shared by my Peak Body Really Useful Society. So depending on what Peak Body you're working with, they may share a template with you. And you'll have the created details here from them as well. So as you can see, my Peak Body's actually shared a AGM for me to use. So all I need to do is click this use action here. And it's going to copy all the information over for me, and I can start using this straight away. It's got the description in there. It's got the agenda items ready for me to go. So as my organization here, Bob's Burgers, all I need to do is choose the date, start time. So for me, I'm just going to put it 30 days out, and let's say it's starting at 3 p.m. and we'll put the end time as 5 p.m. If I need to make any adjustments, I can do that now, as it's no longer a template. It is now my AGM. And now I can just create the meeting. Okay, and now the meeting is there. And then all we need to do is start inviting invitees. Okay, and then when you're ready to start making your meeting minutes, you would just go here. If I just go back to meetings and go back to the templates, you'll see we've got my templates here. So to create a new template, all you need to do is select new template. And as you can see, it's pretty similar setup. The next one that we would like to walk through is our projects here. So projects is probably what you'll be using with your peak body. So anything that they have governance requirements or affiliation sort of reporting, that will all come through the project section here. So you'll notice that this has changed our menu. So the projects, templates, and reporting and so on has now changed. So what you want to do is come to this template section here. And if there's a template that your peak body has shared with you, it will display here for you. So perhaps they're sharing an onboarding procedure for you to follow. Okay, so you can use their templates that they've shared and have an internal project for your Bob's Burgers. So perhaps you have an onboarding template that's been shared by your peak body here. And all you need to do is copy it. And now this is just going to be used for your internal use only. And I'll copy all the tasks over so, you can follow the onboarding procedure that you have from your peak body, okay? If I just go back into projects here, just to recap the projects area. So anything that has been shared from your peak body will display here. So again, this is what needs to be done from your peak body. And then the other ones are just all internal for me, okay? And you'll notice we've got all active, draft, and done here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.